morning. How are you? How are you, Subhadeep Day? Subhadeep Day.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
So nice, sir. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. See, please adjust your video. Now it is good. Video. Now
Oh,
it's good. Yeah.
oh,
Please tell me about yourself. Your interview date is announced or not?
no, sir. It's not announced yet.
Acha. Please tell me about yourself.
Okay, sir. Uh, Thank you for this opportunity for giving me to introduce myself. Uh, Good evening, sir. My name is Shubhadeep De. I'm basically from Calcutta, West Bengal. I have completed my schooling from the Scottish Church Collegiate School, where I have an achievement of a man of the tournament in my school cricket tournament, and I have graduated from TIU, Technical University, with 8.09 CGPA. Now I am pursuing MBA from Institute of Engineering and Management, where with a specialization in marketing and business analytics. I also act as a placement coordinator over there and act as a link between the students and the companies and help them to get placed in good companies like Federal Bank, Bajaj, etc. Uh, I have completed my internship in Motilal Oswal, and and I have completed my summer internship in medical super specialty hospital. My hobbies are reading comic books and watching movies. And along with this, I have my long-term vision in joining such top companies like Federal Bank, Asian Paints, and so on. And my strengths are I'm a multitasker, I'm hardworking, and self-motivated person. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Uh, Tell us about your family.
So, including me, in my family, there are three members. My mother is a kind lady and who is a housewife, and my father is a serviceman who used to be the most calm and composed person I have ever seen. Um, so this is my family.
Good. Very good. Very good. Now, what made you develop a liking towards Federal Bank?
So, in my point of view, I have seen that Federal Bank has got the best workplace culture in 2022, and the way Federal Bank has developed in digitalization, I like that. So, as a managerial student, I feel that the the banking is the fast growing sector where I could show my skills, and in Federal Bank, the apps and the Symphony which are there are I found it is very interesting, and it is interesting for the generation. They are going with the generation that what the technology which the generation mainly like. So I feel that so these are the things which have amazed me for joining Pearl Bank.
Yeah. Mm. Good. So, what do you know about Federal Bank?
The founder of the Federal Bank is KP Hermes, which was established in 1931 as Travancore Federal Bank, and in 1949 it is named as Federal Bank. The Federal Bank has 10 billion customer base, and with this they mainly have the control of 15% in India for fund remittation, and uh, the Federal Bank uh, so uh, the Federal Bank has also opened their branches in the gift city in Gujarat, which is in Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad. So, and its headquarters is in Kochi, Alva.
Actually, here, when you are asked to tell about Federal Bank, you must be able to tell like this. You must be able to tell, as you rightly said, you don't have to tell the history and all. Just tell which year it was started by KP Hormis. That will do. Thereafter, you tell the present managing director of the Federal Bank.
Yes, sir. Mr. Shyam Srinivasan.
Yeah. Then after that, you will tell about the number of customers.
Yes, sir.
1 crore 27 lakh customers, 1,336 outlets, branches, then 1,355 ATMs and 515 cash recyclers. ये बोलना है. इसका
ठीक है.
बाद में you have to tell 1 minute. You have to tell about say the before you can tell about these awards. You already told this answer. What are the awards they have received about in Federal Bank, that you can tell. Then the key personnel, if you can remember other names, you can tell. For example, the chairman's name is Bala Gopal. Chairman's name is Bala Gopal. Then Shyam Srinivasan. At least these two you must remember. After that, then you should you you have to tell about the present business position, and after that you will tell about corporate social responsibility activities of them. Okay, this one. And under corporate social responsibility, you will say they are giving KP Hormis Foundation scholarships. They are also giving buses to the schools, and they are giving so many finance assistance for hospitals and other things. Usko pad lijiye. If you go through this, you will know. Then you have to tell this. And now regarding finance, the problem is, till yesterday I was telling about 30th June, and
Yes, sir.
today,
Now it is September.
now September results are there. So do you
Yes, sir.
have September results with you now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have sent it in the morning.
अच्छा अच्छा
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
अच्छा बताइए.
So the net profit is 704 crores, and the operating profit is 1,212 crores. The ROA is 1.21% quarterly, and the ROE, return of equity, is 14.36%.
1 minute. Some more important point like GNPA, net NPA. You can tell that, no? You are not seen that. But
Sir,
I will
I have seen the I have seen the net profit, that is 704 crores, and the total business is 3.35 billion, sir.
1 minute. Second quarter results. That's what I have put. Second quarter. 1 minute. Second quarter. I gave it yesterday. Oh, Federal Bank. 1 minute. Federal Bank. Federal Bank. Federal Bank. I think I gave it second quarter. Mil gaya. Now I am having it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, you told correctly 704 crore. Then you should know about this GNPA, net NPA brought down to 2.46%, 0.78%. This you must tell.
Sir, can you
Then,
explain it that what is GNP?
yeah, GNPA means gross NPA. Gross NPA, total NPA of the bank, less provisions made, will give you net NPA. For example, if a bank's gross NPA is 1,500, no, ये तो amount बड़ा होता है, 150 crore. Supposing a bank's NPA is 150 crore, and they have to provide for this every, depending on the severity of the NPA. First year they will provide 10%. Later on they will provide 40%. And after 3 years they will provide 100%. And so once they provide like this, 150 crores minus provisions made. Let us assume they have made 45 crores provision. Now net NPA is only 105 crore. GNPA is 150 crore. Net NPA is 105 crore only in the example I told you. Here, what is GNPA? The gross NPA of the bank, how much? And divided by total advances into 100 is known as GNPA. Similarly, after GNPA, subtract provisions. Now, what is the balance figure? Divided by total advances and into 100 will give you net NPA percentage. If Federal Bank has given 100 crore advances, then 0.78% is what is in problem. That means 78 lakhs. I told you 100 crore. Na? That means 78 lakhs only
78
problem.
lakhs.
Is only NNPA, net NPA. Gross NPA is 2.46 crore. When I took 100 crore as this, real figures you have to see. Now, do you know what is the total, Abhi, total business position, Jante?
Yes, sir. 3.35 billion.
Super. 3.35 nahi hai, 3.50.
Okay.
I think what you told is maybe last year figure, last quarter figure, but Abhi
Yes, sir.
3.50. Then
Okay.
advances is now 1,63,957 crore. And deposits figure is 1,71,994 crore. These figures you should know. Okay, good. So likewise, sometimes they can ask you about Federal Bank and then you have to tell about this. I'll stop with that. What is your major? Tell me.
Some marketing, sir.
Marketing. Oh, Baba. How will you sell this cell phone? Imagine you are the representative or marketing manager of a cell phone company like this. How are you going to sell it? Tell me.
So this is an amazing product. I'd like to share with you that this has an 8 GB memory, as a 128 GB memory with an 8 GB RAM, and it has varieties of colors. And the most important thing is its Android version is uh, uh, it has sorry sir. Um, it is 120 with a camera of 108 megapixel. So we are giving it in at a minimum rate of 10,000, but today is a 20% discount. So I think you should not miss the chance of buying it.
Good, good. You told correctly. 128 GB. That is correct. How many RAM? What is the RAM?
8 GB RAM, sir.
Good. Very good, very good, very good. So like that, you should talk something more plus points about that and try to impress the buyer. But ये सब आपने स्माइल करके बताना है. हाँ,
Okay.
अब तो स्माइल कम करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You should smile.
Okay.
Which bank do
Okay.
you have an account? Which bank do you have an account?
Federal Bank, sir.
Oh, you have account Federal Bank only. Oh,
Yes,
Baba.
sir. Yes, sir.
When did you? Which branch is it?
Kolkata Ultadanga branch.
Oh,
Bidhannagar branch.
acha, acha. How many times you have visited that branch?
Sir, I have visited 6 to 8 times, sir.
Very good. How do you manage for your other transactions? You are not going to branch.
Yes, sir. Mainly, there is a paid mobile app where I can manage. I can see all the transactions that are happening, and mainly I use Google Pay and Phone Pay for other transactions, and these are the things that I use. Sir.
For withdrawing cash, what do you do?
So, for withdrawing cash, I used to visit the Federal Bank ATM if it is possible, and if it is not possible, I used to go to other ATMs. I can withdraw from there.
Good. What is the minimum balance prescribed in Federal Bank savings account?
Sir, as it is a zero balance account, so
Acha,
there
acha,
is
zero.
no such.
You open
Yes,
zero
sir.
balance account. Very good. What is the
Yes,
interest rate?
sir.
What is the interest they are giving you?
Sir, I cannot tell the actual interest. I don't remember, but I think it is 7.5.
नहीं 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 बाबा
So
बाबा
sorry,
गलत.
sir. Three, sir. Three, sir. I
It
think.
should be 3%.
Yes, sir. Three, sir. Sorry.
I will ask our FED what is the interest rate? SB interest rate. One minute. Savings bank interest. I think it must be 3% only. What you said is
Yes,
right.
sir. It is 3%. So it is.
Interest rate in savings bank accounts. It is now showing.
2.5.
Where is it coming?
So
Acha,
it is
acha.
given the less than.
It is
Yes,
given. It is coming
yes,
here.
sir.
Have you got the interest rate for savings bank accounts with end of the day balance is less than rupees 5 crore is 2.50 only. Oh,
Yes, sir.
to view the interest rates for accounts with the family balance. No, but one thing, this may be wrong, I think so, because they have not revised it. Now we will see interest rate savings bank deposits. Here it must be correct. Here it must be correct because some candidate asked. See, I think there is a mistake. You see, 2.90% below. Oh, that means it's only 2.5. Correct.
2.5, sir.
Not 3%. 2.5 only. Even up to 1 lakh, like that it goes. Above 5 lakhs, 2.85 below RBI's repo rate for the remaining above 1 lakh. Acha, acha. Doesn't matter. You remember 2.50.
50. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So 1 minute. I will share this to our Telegram boys. 1 minute. So that they will be knowing it. Paid. Okay, good. That's right. Now, why people save money in savings bank accounts? What is the reason for people to save money in savings bank accounts?
So I feel that in savings bank account, it is quite easy to get back. You can take your money from the savings bank account. It is really easy than any current account because in savings bank the money which is deposited is already you have saved only, and you can generally take it out as whenever you want.
Good. Now, you are a marketing person. What are the strategies you will recommend for starting a new scheme? Supposing you want to launch a new product, what are the strategies you will tell us?
So I will generally follow the Potter's model where I would see that what are the competitors already in the market. I will see that the product, what what are the upcoming competitors will come, and I will definitely see that the demographic position of the market, that where I could sell my product, and the people, and I will see the and also see that how first I will launch some of the product. I will see the customer experience of every customer experience. I will see the feedbacks of every customer. Then I will launch the final product.
Good. What are the qualities required for succeeding as a business, as a marketing person?
So for me, it is very important. The most important thing is communication. After that, you have to be calm, composed, and you have to be soft spoken to everyone. And the leadership skill is more important. Being with your people, supporting them, and showing the right path is the best way to be a marketing.
Now, can you please tell me some point, whatever points you know about Reserve Bank of India?
So the governor of the Reserve Bank of India is Mr. Shaktikant Das, and the latest meeting of RBI, which I have seen, in which the repo rate, they have decided the monetary policy, in which the repo rate has been fixed to 5.90.
पर इतना ही बोलने से हो जाएगा? नहीं होगा. You have to tell about bankers to government, then note issuing authority, foreign exchange control, monetary policy authority. ऐसा में भी और कुछ भी ज्यादा बोलना है ना? क्यों ज्यादा नहीं बोलते?
The Reserve Bank used to maintain the cash reserve ratio and the statutory liquid ratio. The Reserve Bank has fixed 4.50 as the cash reserve ratio, and the SLR has been fixed by the RBI as 18%. And and these all I know, sir.
और भी पढ़ना है. आप पढ़ा नहीं है ना? पढ़ा नहीं?
Actually, about RBI मैंने पढ़ा
नहीं पढ़ा है. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Then it is okay. Fine. Now tell me, what is priority sector advances? पढ़ा नहीं है. If you have not read, doesn't matter. छोड़ दीजिए. You are from which place? Kolkata?
Kolkata, sir.
अच्छा. Who is your chief minister?
Sir, Miss Mamata Banerjee.
Then who is your governor?
Sir,
Always fighting.
Gangaram.
Gangaram. Acha,
Yes,
1
sir.
minute.
I think so.
No, 1 minute. West Bengal governor अभी कौन है? It is given as law Ganeshan. as it change हो गया ना क्या?
Ganesh. No, sir. Ganesh. I confused.
Ganeshan. अच्छा जी,
Yes,
Ganeshan. Then who is
L.
your
Ganesh.
law Ganeshan? LA Ganeshan.
Yes.
Then who is the finance minister of Karnataka? Sorry, West Bengal.
So,
Doesn't matter. Please tell me some important tourist places in Calcutta.
So the important tourist places are so there is Victoria Memorial, Indian Museum, and then Princep Ghat, and in West Bengal there are Digha, and these are the tourist places.
आपने पूरा बोला नहीं. There are so many places. थोड़ा
yes,
enjoy
the
कर.
Kingsford Temple,
थोड़ा enjoy
Kingsford
कर.
Temple,
थोड़ा
Kalighat Temple.
enjoy करके बोलना है. You are not
Okay.
enjoyed it and spoken. Doesn't matter. What do you understand by brainstorming? You are a marketing man. What is brainstorming? सुना है brainstorming का बारे में?
Yes, sir. I think brainstorming is a process in which you understand the customer's thinking and customer needs and wants.
No. No. Brainstorming means it's a creativity tool. It is a creativity tool.
Okay.
Just a
Realize it. Brainstorming is a simple, fun, and effective way to generate ideas and come up with creative solutions to problems. It encourages people to think freely and openly, creating a rich array of ideas and solutions. To find out how to design your own brainstorming session, watch the full video by joining the Mind Tools Club today at mindtools.com.
yeah. So that much it is. So could you follow what it is? So that so you have to go through some of the questions I have given. I have given a marketing book. Did you go through that?
Yes, sir.
No.
I'm going through that. It is really big, sir. So I'm
Actually,
going through that.
it's really big. You are going through that. Good. Very nice. Today you have managed very well. For the first time, you have been able to do well. But some more extra informations you have to learn. Come with more confidence to speak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Practice करने से आपको हो जाएगा. You have done well. I will give
Sir,
you
one thing I want to ask.
8 out of 10. Yeah, tell me.
Thank you, sir. Sir, what are the questions that I could expect as a marketing student, sir? मतलब, what I have to study for Federal Bank in marketing, sir? As a sir,
No. They will ask you how will you market our products? What are the strategies you will obtain? You will follow. They may tell you now market this home loan product, this personal loan product. How are you going to do it? How will you get a public sector customer into our fold? Like that, these questions they will ask. Anyhow,
okay,
best wishes.
thank you, sir.
Thank you. Because I have to go for next class
Yes, sir.
now.
Yes, sir.
Next
Sure, sir.
class is this. Very good. You
Sir,
have
I will.
done well. You have done well,
Yes, sir.
but you can do still better.
Sir, when you can take the after this, when you can take the interview.
Yeah. 1 minute. Today is 24. Shall I mark it as 20, 29th, 29th, say 7 p.m.
Yes, sir. No problem.
29th, 7 p.m. But you must read a lot. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you pay 100 rupees on that day morning only.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much.
I'm closing this now.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
I'm closing this. Yeah, thank you. I'm closing this video now. I will restart for RRB now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Best wishes.